Welcome to the Independence Public Library's Storytime Kits instructional video. This video goes with our pop-up card craft. You'll need for supplies, you'll need the kit that came from our public library, some crayons, or colored pencils, or markers, whatever you have that you'd like to work with. Go ahead and stop the video, collect your supplies, and start the video again when you're ready. Welcome back. Inside your kit, there's an already put together pop-up card. They have a little evergreen tree in them. You should have 2 sets of stickers and some foam stickers. With your stickers and your markers or crayons, you can create your card any way you'd like to. I'm going to take a white crayon and write on mine and put a little design on it. Something like that. I wrote Winter Fun on mine, but you could give this to somebody. You could write to Mom or somebody special. Now I'm going to decorate the front of mine. I'm going to, some of these fun foam stickers have little cutouts on them. You're going to want to make sure and try to poke those out. As you pull, there's paper on the back of these. You can use your stickers in any way you want to. You can use them or not use them or whatever you'd like to do. This is your card. Okay. I'm going to put this guy up here. Okay. And let's see, maybe add a snowman down here at the bottom. This little card of stickers, there's little tiny ones on there too. Okay, on the inside, I'm going to put some penguins down at the bottom. But again, you fix them any way you'd like to. Put one down there. I'm going to put another one over here. I'm going to take my white crayon and make a little hill for these guys. Then maybe color it in a little bit. Then maybe add a few of my own snowflakes. Just by drawing lines. Okay, and I think on my tree I'm going to add maybe some more fun foam stickers on that. Maybe one here. And maybe one there. Something like that. like I said, you make sure and decorate it. And you don't have to use white crayons. Any color crayon would work. Whatever you'd like to do. Once you've completed decorating your card, you've actually finished the craft. Congratulations. I'm glad you used your creativity today. Always make sure when you've completed your craft to pick up your tools that you've used, your crayons and your markers and your scraps. Thank you for being with us today. Some of the books that we have at the public library are The Night Gardener by the Fan Brothers, Look Closely Through the Forest by Frank Serafini, If I Were a Tree by Andrea Zimmerman, and Maple and Willow's Christmas Tree by Lori Nichols. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you at the public library soon. Bye now.